Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mizoram Education Hub. For our practice set for MSSS BUDC 2023, we are going to solve expected questions consoled on our video. This video will be quite important for you. Exam date in Shatonga. So before proceeding, we can Little Wayne ala Mirror Bruno Mars nen. Naluto kami ngait So, hemi video ahian questions ti shang different topics ami questions te kan solve dona. Pahatete nang nipon dikan note down zelula. Hey, questions ti chu tihanin mutenga. Tiang questions te ron chuak china. These questions are quite important. Okay. So 12 tlang chu tihian kan solve ang simplification ang chumizwachon mix quotient tihian mo area mi te time and work ti te tihian kan solve zelanga 25 questions are there, means extra 5 questions po kada avain kan solve ang andro the difference between tahian trick po kashil chunga basic method pon kan solve ang difference between CI and SI on rupees 18,000 in 2 years was 405 rate of interest. And tinan a rate of interest kanzon chuang we have to find out the value of rate of interest throw mitam takin engtin nge anti don engtin nge solve don mi question ye ama sa jon CI formula an mang photanga tihian an zia kanga n minus p ania tihian an ziak photrina chumizwa SI and find out le dona anua and difference kha hey assay don lo to khami chamo it will take lots of time, it will consume lots of time. So Amapon formula voi tam tak voi sang khatle zathum somsari pariat lai ka soito akashil to chautro. The formula is difference between CI and SI engzat nge for 2 years enge formula of 2 years atan P R by 100 raised to the power 2 hemi for 2 years anitrin. So entinan hemi khoshani examalo chuakta se the difference between and given difference engzat nge tichon 405 ania heta hian kan put teyang. So difference is 405 equals to P engzat nge principal amount is also given 18,000 initiatiam tro chon R by 100 square ania tuna hemi 18,000 hi anwaya kan ziak dei thina. So tahian 18,000 ania 405 in 9 in can cancel thayam yes can cancel thaylu tuka achan chu divisibility rule in shia chon pali le 0 le panga chu pakwa tro chon hemi pakwa hi pakwa in can divide thay it is divisible. So 9 in hemi can cancel thay dona 9 engzat zarnge 405 ani 20 chon 45 945 are 405 ani china chumizwa hemi 9 in get cancel thaya 2000. Okay, hemi 35 in can cancel lethaya 9 zaranya 2005 in can cancel chon 400 anya. So engtinge enge kan zia theta hian 9 by 400 equals to engzat nge R by 100 raised to the power 2 tro. So helama raised to the power 2 oma helama engmaam lawa enge kan tiang raised to the power 2 da son turin both side square root tian hemi square root le hemi square chu and cancel the china. So 9 square root anga tijon 3 ania 400 square root anga tijon 20 ania R by 100 tuna hemi 20 le hemi 100 hi 5 times can cancel the other 5 times. So 3 multiplied by 5 to 15%. So our answer will be 15%. This is the rate of interest. Tuna hemi question hi hey and the difference between CI and SI for 3 years lo chuakta se chumi turchuan hemi in shia tangaya tahian color dang claim blue in hey difference for CI and SI for 3 years chu enge formula ani dei don hey hemi hi chu in thengel don tipo ka shia chu is dorjan revision angai hemi hi 2 years atan kan ziak photanga hey in thengel lonan trick pahat ka shil le chunga hemi trick a poyan mo trick ka shilang chau hey 3 years anti chon 2 year mi hi amasa kan ziak nga chimza bracket kan ziak nga chuan 3 plus R by 100 hemi hi animai tu na nge question hemi question yanro the difference between CI and SI for 3 years is 992. So 992 heta kanda de ang difference ahian. So 992 equals to P kan shalo tro find the principal antia. So principal kan shalo R engzat nge rate of interest is given 10%. So 10% in muthailo mai tenga falo mai tenga. So yellow in kan ziak leang R is 10% tro. So 10 kandanga chon raised to the power 2 nia chon helama po yan R in 10 kandanga chon divided by hey 0 le 0 kan cancel nga helama hian 992 equals to p chon 1 by 10 bang dona 1 by 10 square chu 1 by 100 ania chon hemi kan solve nga 3 plus 10 by 100 chu engzat nge ni thin du le ta point kan cancel thei thau 3 plus 1 by 10 chu 3 10 za 30 nia 30 le pakhat 31 by 10 31 by 10 ti hian kan ziak thei tuna 31 le hemi 992 hi kan cancel anga 992 divided by 31 chu engzat nge 3 are 93 ania chon 62 bang dona 2 so 32 times in 32 in can cancel thei dona so ta hian nge kan ziang 32 kan zia kang 31 in can cancel to anwaya 0 pathum omatro hem 0 pathum hi 32 and can multiply nga our answer will be 32000 is our correct answer injetiya hemi for 3 years difference between CI and SI for 2 years and each one enge formula P R by 100 raised to the power 2 anya for 3 years and each one P R by 100 raised to the power 2 nya chon 3 plus R by 100 hemi animai hemi the pani apoi mol duk time in safe thedon lutuk ti nani chu tuna express the following as fraction tiang question poiron chuak china h one line rangania so in a boy tur pom lo tiang question chon 25% hi fraction a kan siam don chon ma pon video danga po ka sei to andru percentage atangin fraction kan convert don chuan ziak zelula chon solve bokula percentage atangin fraction kan siam piangin enge kan ti chen we divide the given number by 100 chuan fraction atangin percentage kan convert don chuan we used to multiply the given number by 100 hemi concept in shi atreng turani so tuna hemi concept kan manga question kan solve and question number a na hi express the following as fraction hemi percent form ama fraction akan convert don chon 25 ane tro divided by 100 achan chu percent hi nge omzia percent chu anwaya 100 tinania percent ane train so 25 in 100 can cancel thea yes 4 times so hemi can answer ni my 1 by 4 is the correct answer chimza 33 1 by 3% hi 33 1 by 3% tro 33 1 by 3 again it in ashim shin 33 into 3 plus 1 by 3% ani thina tro 33 3 zarang zat ngati chon 99 chon 99 a pakhat kan bel chon za ani thina ti hian tuna hami person hi enge person om chu divided by 100 and 3 tro so achunga mi 100 le noi mi 100 kan cancel nga 1 by 3 will be the correct answer in shati amanga mi tuna question number hemi kan solve nga express 1 by 8 is a percentage hey ta hian ngenzia fraction and yatro 1 by 80 1 by 8 is a fraction it is in fractional form hemi hi percentage akan conversion always we used to multiply it by the given number by engin 100 in can multiply chain tuna hemi 4 in can cancel there 2s are hemi 4 in can cancel there 25s are 25 by 2 again it in each one 12.5% do chon 12.5% points yak there do chon 12 1 by 2% points yak te ti hian chimza hemi 1 by 4 mo hemi 1 by 4 po hi engtin nge kan zia te multiplied by 100 1 by 4 is in fractional form right so hemi percentage form as zia turin engtin nge kan ti tren ka 100 in kan multiply tren so 1 by 4 multiplied by 100 to 25% tiang concept si in shiat vector mo so bahata den tian kan solve to don tun thleng chu warm up type question angin ngayula tuna question number 1 okay question number 1 can start don tuna 24% of 40% of 3 by 4th of 12,000 is enge ani don nang mani pon ka solve ma in duchan a video I pause channel mo adik per video in pause nga question in solve nga inti dik chuan anuam inti don tu inti dik lo chuan ka video in endon ya shiatiam in tum don ya so 24 and a person a chuan ti hian kan ziak trina chanti pa trick pa thada ko slang chawa and the exam 20% of 40% of 800 is how much ti chanwa in ti turchu hemi 0 le hemi person hi kan cancel thai in shatia mem ti hian kan da san thai chon hemi person le hemi 0 pani po hi ti hian kan cancel thai so our answer will be how much 2 multiplied by 4 chu 8 ania 8 multiplied by 64 inshatia omzia ber chu 10% of 20% of 100 is always how much 2 anidon enge reason achan chu hemi 0 le hemi 0 hi hemi percent and hian cancel deula kan cancel to inshatia amtro 2 chi abang don chu tiam bok chon 0 pani le hemi percent hi kan cancel the so what will be the remaining 1 into 2 into 1 chu 2 inshatia atopa wekat last nan 30% of 40% of 8 hemi exact nge ti chuan engma in ti turan lo tan 800 ti la engain tiang hey 0 pani oma hemi hi percent en hian kan cancel de yang inshathiam ti hian chuan heta 0 pani oma hemi percent en kan cancel thai so what is the answer 3 into 4 12 ania 12 into 8 96 ti hian kan solve train okay hemi trick venia tu na hemi kan solve question number 1 ni and 24% and your percent om chuan enge waya 100 kan ziak trina of chu multiply chimza 40% ani le to 40 waya 0 kan ziak nga of ania chun 3/4 ani chuan 3/4 kan ziak nga of om leya so 12000 tunan cancelang andru achunga he 0 pathum le hemi 0 hi pali 0 pali oma anwaya 0 pani le pani pali oma so 0 hi chu kan cancel 5 vek thai tinani chu kan cancel chu nge bangdon 24 into 4 into 3 into 12 divided by 4 hemi le hemi kan cancel thai tro tuna 24 multiplied by 3 into 12 chu 36 ania so 24 multiplied by 36 chu exact nge ni don 24 ania 14 24 3 is a 72 ani trin so 864 is our answer option number b is the correct answer tuna question number 2 kan solve lenga question number 2 is bracket chunga oma BODMAS concept in Shiachuan, Amasabera vernaculum can solve trina, vernaculum amlo given question ahian. Chumizwa bracket can solve train. Hemi bracket ania bracket chunganom vevea so can solve 82 plus 78 exact ngetijan 116 trina multiplied by 0.5 le 0.8 exact ngetijan hey 1.3 anitrin. Hemi can ziaka point gandasun chon anwaya 0 pakhatwai because hey decimal zawa digit pakhat chawam chumi wangchon anwaya 0 pakhat omanga amchu 10 omdon. Hemi 0 le hemi 0 hi kan cancel anga chon 16 multiplied by 13 exact ngeni don 16 table in thiam chon what will be the value of 16 multiplied by 13 208 tihian kan zia kanga 208 tihian and table in thiam lo pon poilo hey initiate lo pon 16 into 13 chu hey 16 into 13 chu engtin nge kan zia te maseng thlua ka kan solve ngai ni tihian hey 16 multiplied by 13 chu tihian kan break anga 10 plus 3 so 16 tens are za somruk 16 3s are 48 initiate za somruk le 48 chu 208 so option number D is the correct answer chumizwa question number 3 can solve lenga hey andru 15 square plus 12 square minus 18 square hemi nangmanin solve chinula dikhan araf copia 30 thleng square thiamula 20 thleng cube thiamula dujon 25 30 thleng cube in thiam jona poi mi alawa thadol du 15 square is how much 225 12 square is how much 144 18 square is how much 324 equals to cancel outani hemi le hemi mahian positive sign om vevetro so kan edang pangale pali pakwania pali le pani parukania pakhat le pani ju pathum minus 324 pakwa train pali peju pangania paruga train pani peju paliania pathum train pathum peju 0 tihan kan ziak thea tuna question number 4 hi try leula 8888 divided by 8 ania plus 2332 divided by 2 tuna BODMAS hisabin anga ganti trin kha division can solve for trina chumizwa multiplication chumizwa addition chumizwa subtraction tro tahian anga can solve masak berdon hey division hi can solve more division 8888 divided by 8 chu exact nge 1111 ratiam tro mi chu plus 2332 hi 2 in can divide chon 1 13 netro 6 and 6 ani don parukle pakhat 7 parukle pakhat 7 pakhatle pakhat chu 2 ania chon pakhatle pakhat chu 2 so 2 2 7 option number D is the correct answer. Question number 5 in triangle. Hey, 0.8 multiplied by exact 8800 divided by 16 chun bracket po na multiplied by 4 ania tahian enge kan tiang he division hi kan solve ma satra board ma si sabin division hi kan solve ma sapotanga so division kan solve chun hey tihian divide hi tian kan ti dona tuna 8800 le 16 hian cancel them yes 18 kan cancel thai achen jo 8 table 88 oma chun 8 table 16 oma 8 2 chu tiang bo chun hei point hi kan da so nga point kan da son chuan anwaya enge 0 pakhatom dona anwai mi 0 pakhat le chung mi 0 pakhat kan cancel nga 2 in hemi 84 times in kan cancel nga so what will be the answer hey 4 multiplied by zale som multiplied by pali so 4 multiplied by zale som multiplied by pali 4 4s are exact nge ti chuan 4 4s are 16 ani thina 16 kan zia kanga 16 zale som zar exact nge ti chuan amapon ka saito 16 into 11 ani chuan 1 heta zia kula 6 heta zia kula alaya 1 le 6 in zia kang chuan 0 hi atopa 1760 is the correct answer. Option number D correct answer. Chumizwa hemi question here. More question number 6 here. Session he trying teach one in like nge don ya. So question number 6 ituna 85 anetro multiplied by 12 divided by 5 minus 2 cube equals to x cube. Hemi question mark hi du chuan question mark cube point ite ke chuan x cube kat kaziak thina x cube yan x cube yan min ti confuse ngai lo so tuna enge kan solve ma sak ber don 2 cube chu 8 ziak de la chan chu 2 cube chu 8 and 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 chu mo 8 and thina tuna hemi kan solve for thina division hi so 85 multiplied by 12 divided by 5 minus 8 equals to x square 5 in 85 can cancel thea 1 7s are so 17 12s are exact nge ti chon thua kain calculate the mapon ka soitonia 17 10s are 117 17 2s are 34 so zani le pali so tahian 204 practice na sal tugula nang manita na all sum dal to minus 8 equals to x square zani le pali atangin pariat kan pe chon exact nge 196 equals to x square ania chon x square equals to 196 ani avai chuan x in value pani ane trin ti chuin sianga tro plus le minus ane trin so ashim enge square root of 196 chu 14 ane trin so answer will be plus minus 14 option are only 14 chunita se kami ka answer ni don 14 will be the answer masing plus le minus ni which one adik zok tren tuna achen chu x in value pani nei don tuna question number 7 he can solve lenga hey 15 square minus 5 cube plus root 625 plus 44 equals to x square question mark square in x square kada tuna hey square chu thiamul tiang ziak pop up the 15 square is 225 5 cube is 125 625 square root chu 25 and trina plus 44 equals to x square tuna zani som ni panga atangin za som ni panga han peitaila za bang dona plus 25 le 44 chu exact nge 69 ania za le somruk pakwa chu za somruk pakwa ania equals to x square anetro so if the value of x square is 169 then what will be the value of x each one plus minus 13 chu anidon baseng option am lo tro plus minus 13 so our answer will be plus 13 option number D option number D do ve kani wa hawen chu engam zia tuna question number 8 tahiantro 5 divided by 12 ania plus 5 divided by 36 ania 5 divided by 24 tiang question yang ting kan solve dan turchu we will find the LCM hemimo LCM exact nge LCM ani don 12 36 le 24 number pakhat kan thlanga chumi number chu 12 pon kan kat thai tur 36 pon kan kat thai tur chuan ato berami 24 pon kan kat thei tur nga tinge okay kan kat thei tur ne chumi number chu enge ani thei 36 ani am no ani thei lo ajani 12 jan kan kat thei masen 24 in kan kat thei lo so 36 multiple adang enge 36 1 zar chon kan kat thei lo 36 2 zar kan chekang 36 2 zar ang zat nge 72 nia hemi point kan cancel te hemi point kan cancel te so ange kan ziang tan mi tam takan buai vetrina so 72 chu anwaya kan zia kang achungami number chu engmala khoidang lam ri lawila ti hian zia kila tuna hemi 12 fi anula 12 engzat zar nge 72 ani train 12 6 zar ani train tro chu tiam bok chon 36 engzat zar nge 72 ani train 2 zar ani train tro 24 engzat zar nge 72 ani train 3 zar ani train tro mailom tuna 5 zar engzat nge ti chon som thum ania 25 zar engzat nge ti chon 10 ania 53 zar engzat nge ti chon som panga chon divided by 72 an pathen kan belanga som thum le som chu som li nia som li le som panga chu som nga panga ani a divided by 72 option out yes tun room option number d ni lawa option number is the correct answer question number 9 hemi hi andrew tian question mark or matro question mark omze chu x angin ngai thinula in confuse me myang ti hian mo tian in zia kanga person in zia katin in confusion nachina pon ka suyatro x% of 800 in movele hemi 0 panile hemi in cancel thai hemi boy ngai tolo x of 8 chau pozia thai so x of 8 chau pozia thai plus 12 square engzat nge 144 jen zanga le pali in shetia mem dujan in cancel thei tho mo khami chu hey step skip dan ka shil chawni kha ti hian hemi percent in waya in zia kanga in cancel anga mo hemi ai h1 hemi hi thazok x% of 800 ania hemi 100 hemi 0 panile hemi percent hitian cancel popula x multiplied by 8 mo tian so 8x chu tian kan siak nga plus 144 equals to zanga le pali ani chon hemi plus 144 hi right hand side da convert transfer denga so pali train pali pai chu 0 ne somnga train som pali pai chu 36 will be the remaining so 8x equals to 316 each one x will be equals to 360 by 8 hemi 4 in can cancel there 90 times hemi 4 in can cancel there 90 by 2 chu exact nge ti chon 45 will be the correct answer option number a in shetia ma tuna hemi question hi in solve nga in try nga and ru ta po hian hei tan ka zianga 2 multiplied by 8 divided by 4 raised to the power 4 divided by 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 5 equals to enge answer ni don ta hian tro multiply nge divide kan ti mazak don division achan chu Bodmas rule ania 2 multiplied by 8 divided by 4 raised to the power 4 divided by hey bracket chunga ma 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 ania and divided by 5 okay tuna 4 table 8 om chiang lutuk 2 zar in shetiam tro so 2 multiplied by 2 to 4 and 4 raised to the power 4 divided by 16 divided by 5 4 raised to the power 4 engzat nge ti chon in shia 4 square engzat nge 4 square hetiang point kan ziak te tholom 4 square chu 16 and 16 square chu 256 and it so 256 divided by 16 divided by 5 okay hetilai takyan mitam tak an boy trina un confuse khoi train kan divide ang le ti hian nge kan divide don ti hian engting nge helamatrang in mo khatia han shalawa exam ati han skip deizel hetilai thleng ju unsolved train masing thayan thlain confusion an nei wangin an boy wangin unsolved ailo so in shia tur chu left ta tang hian kan calculate tur so 256 hemi kan calculate potanga chimzo a remaining ka 5 in kan divide in shadiam tonga so 256 divided by 16 chu 16 achan chu 16 square and 16 less 16 cancel divided by 5 so 16 by 5 will be the answer 16 by 5 tuna 16 by 5 exact nge shim 16 by 5 3s are 15 and 1 abang dona point kan danga 0 2 in 10 engma remaining total so 3.2 is the correct answer option number C here option number C is the correct answer question number 11 the practice char la chanju in practice tamchon modian mean puzzle don then divided by 3 plus 51 equals to x multiplied by 13 tuna hemi gan solve patanga 3 kan cancel the hemi anti gan check don and ru divisibility rule pathum le pali pasari le pathum som le panga ju som panga so kan cancel thai achan chu som panga hi 3 kan divide thai so 3 kan divide chon 1 1 hemi 3 ne tro 4 5 ani don plus 51 equals to x into 13 tuna 1145 le 51 ju exact nge ni trin 11 pali le panga pakuani panga le pakhachu paru equals to x into 13 so x will be equals to 1196 by 13 ani atro tuna antinan hemi eliminate dan in thiam lo chon in shiat lo chon and ru inti dan tur ka shilang chau 13 hi eng number nen nge multiply la a unit digit 6 ni thai turin eng number nen nge kan multiply and ru 13 le hemi 87 hi chu multiply ta ila 87 3 7 zarang zat nge 21 ani trin so 6 kan du in jatiam so option number b chu a fail option number d check leta ila hi chu hit and trial rang do sol dan tur rang do in sol thai dan trick ania 89 le 13 multiply la 9 3s are 27 unit place are 6 omangai 96 le 13 multiply la 6 3s are 18 ani trina maseng unit place are 6 omangai chon 13 92 option number a check leila 3 2s are 6 ai 6 omtro so option number a will be the correct answer ma saying in calculate don chon apoimi alawa 1196 anetro hemi 13 in hai calculate into chon 13 9s are exact nge ti chon 117 ani trina what is the remaining 26 13 2s are 26 tang point ti thai thau du tu dan me question number 12 hi comment section okay comment section in low answer don ya comment section in low answer nga all lu tu kami poi question number 8 hemi zoki kaiman kashilang chu hemi zoki mo tlemin hemi ayan advance zoka 8 divided by 21 of anya so of 189 equals to question mark square chu x square divided by 2 du chon tiang point kan ziak thei thawa hemi trin kan divide them yes kan divide thei lu tuka why because 9 plus 8 sompasari le paju somparia the divisibility rule hisabin trin kan divide the so 3 angza jar nge 189 ti chon 63 ania 3 angza jar nge 21 ti chon 7 nimshati amanga tuna 7 table a 63 om trina yes om chial duk so 8 multiplied by 9 chu exact nge 72 equals to x square by 2 tro hemi 2 hi 72 nen kan multiply nga 72 multiplied by 2 chu exact nge 144 equals to x square tuna x square equals to 144 and each one x equals to exact nge ni don square root of 144 chu 12 and each so our answer will be option number c he can answer ni don hetayan minus 12 poni thei thawan lo mi in ti thei maseng khami kha adik lo because it is a perfect square shim hi a root chu positive ani don and then graphical representation ti huna chon minus le plus kan mangtrin simplification a chon generally plus is the correct answer okay tuna question number 13 the average age of father and son at present om zaju tu na takian mo ego poni lo chon hence poni lo tu na takian father ania the average of father and son mi pahnion no machu wang tun kan divide tro mi pathum chum ta se pathumin kan divide tunya exact no average 27 and tro 2 hi 7 in kan multiply trina so how much 54 and dona and sum chu 54 and also the difference between their ages is 30 difference point given dai omzia chu father minus son exact mo 30 years and given omzia ber chu tahian kan zia kanga father plus son chu 54 ania father minus son chu 30 ania what is the respective ratio between the present ages of father and the present age of son okay aum zia ber chu f by s kan find out angai hat trang hian equation 1 ania equation 2 nia hei all sum duk dian plus s le minus s oma tian kan cancel thai chon f pani oma tro so 2f equals to somnga pali le somthum chu engzat nge somriat pali 2 in kan cancel thaya 42 so age of father is 42 ti hian zia krila f kan mutotro 42 hemi value hin du tu na du chon heta point put up thaya ha du chon heta point put thai heta da zo kila mo mitam takin first zo kan anda trina da ve mi ila melo so f plus 42 equals to 54 ania hemi 42 heta kan kanzia chon minus 42 ni to na tro minus 42 54 a train 42 kan pe chon engzat nge ani train 12 ani train so tahian 12 kanzia kang tunan ratio chu 16 kan cancel thea 6 7s are chon 6 2s are so the ratio of father and son will be 7:2 7:2 is option number B and correct answer. Question number 14. A truck cover a distance of 420 distance hemi distance nita se mo heta trangin point A atrangin point B 420 kilometer nechon in a certain interval of time. So D chu ungiven zalile somni kilometer masing time ungiven mi allow okay time he ungiven lawa in a certain interval of time at a speed of masing speed ungiven le dai a speed chu darkar khata kilometer somsariatlana. What is the average speed of a bike that travel a distance of 36 kilometer less than the truck in the same time? Okay, same time titochuan time 1 equals to time 2 omzechu time of truck time taken by truck it will be equals to time taken by the bike in shatiam tro. So time can equate anga enge time formula ti chuan time formula chu distance covered by truck divided by speed of truck equals to distance covered by bike divided by speed of bike hemi hi ania tuna distance covered by truck chu engzat nge zalile somninia imshatiam tro chon speed of truck engzat nge speed of truck given as 17 ya tuna distance covered by bike hi hemi hi engzat mo 36 kilometer less than the truck anti chumi wang chon 420 atrangin 36 kan minus chon enge kan find out to what is the average speed. Yes, hey speed of bike chu kan find out on tatrangin zali somni atrangin 36 kan pe chuan engzat nge 384 and china 0 le 0 an cancel anga chon 7 in 42 6 times in kan cancel anga tan nge kan ziang 6 SB hi speed of bike tan kan ziak de nga SB tahian SB chon 6 chu anwaya 384 hi 16 kan cancel anga 6 6 the 36 and 24 bang dona chon 6 4s are 24 so 64 kilometer per hour hemi hi kan answer option number B le correct answer. Question number 15 tuna question number 15 hi profit loss question ya Puya sold an item for rupees 8,160 and incurred a loss of 15%. Okay, at what price should he have sold the item to have a profit of 25%? Puyan thil engamani chu phekhok aneya chumi phekhok chu sangri za somrukina shala ashal nuwa chon 15% a loss dai so engting a cost price kanzon chu atrin ka cost price chon heta hian 100 kanzia ka minus engzat mo loss 15% a loss equals to engzat in ngeshal 8160 so CP will be equals to 8160 multiplied by 100 divided by zartangin somba peju 85 ania 85. Okay, hemi 5 in cancel ila 17 times ania hemi 5 in cancel 20 times ania 17 table 816 mm kan chekanga 17 4s are 68 in trina chuan 136 17 8s are 136 in trina chun 0 bang so cost price will be how much 480 multiplied by 22 48 2s are 96 and yeah chun 0 pani so cost price will be 9600 so cost price kan nahi to tuna at what price should he have sold the item to have a profit of 25%? Hemi hi engzatin nge shall say 25% a lep thei turin engzatin nge hemi a phekhoki a shalanga idon chumi tur chuan 9600 100 plus profit throw so 25 in kan addanga ta hian kan zia kanga 125 with 25 in cancel 5 times 100 25 in 4 times so 5 by 4 tan kan zia kanga 5 by 4 table 96 oma 24 times 24 5s are engzat nge ti chuan 120 ne chun 0 pani chu ti hian nuwa kan da the 12000 hemi kan answer. Question number 16. Rindiki scored 56 marks in Hindi. Okay, 56 marks in Hindi, 42 marks in science, 42 marks in science, 63 marks in maths, 94 marks in social science, 61 marks in English. The maximum marks of each subject is zale som om zia chu heta hian hemi maximum marks full marks zale somania heta po zale somania heta po zale somania heta po zale somania chun heta po zale som avain subject panga ama chun subject pahatin mark za le som a carry ni chuan engzat nge vain zanga le som nga ni don hemi total marks in hoya kan ziak thina chun marks engzat nge amu hei paruk le pani pariat le pathum som pahat le pali som panga le pakha som parukania tahan kan ziak nga 1 5 plus 4 9 plus 6 15 plus 9 4 24 plus 6 30 chun 30 plus 1 chu 31 in shetiam dro tuna 316 divided by 550 tiang hi engtin nge in solve dan tur ka reng chau achunga 2 multiply la anwaya 2 multiply deula engeni don 2 zeros are 0 nya 2 5s are 10 nya 1 carry chun 2 5s are 10 nya 10 a pahat bal chun 1100 tahian 1100 316 le 2 kan multiply chun engzat nge 632 ni dona 632 at least hemi han tlemin ati all sum don chau hemi 0 pani thengil rila tuna 632 hi 11 in divide dila 5 in kan multiply nga 2 chun 13 minus 5 chu 8 ania 7s are 77 ania 5 bang dona chun point kan da nga tihian 4 engamani something a approximate answer approximate percentage on 57% kan answer ni dona hey 57.4 something by 100 ani dona tro percent ani wangin hemi 100 is ya pongai lo mo percent achon 57 point something approximate is 57 question number 17 the average of 5 numbers is 50.8 hemi enge average of 5 number okay tuna thel dang average of first and the second number is 29 first number le second number average om zia chu entenan a plus b plus c plus d plus e ni ta se an panga hian engzat mo average 50.8 hemi average ania chun hemi 5 hi tahan multiply de ila multiplied by 5 so 50.8 multiplied by 5 chu engzat nge ni don 254 entry okay hemi a multiply dan in thiam lo chan in riat lo chan hey anru 50.8 multiplied by 5 ania do chuan 5 le 50 multiply photila zani som nga plus 0.8 le 5 kan multiply chuan engzat nge rin pali an rin 254 tiang point kan multiply tiang point kan solve ya do chuan point kan da son nga point kan da son chuan anwaya 0 pakhat ngadia 0 pakhat achan chu point pe ma khan hey point zawa digit pakhat chau ama so tian waya 0 kan ziak nga 5 table 10 ama 2 in shatiam tro an cancel nga 5042 kan cancel chuan 254 ani don tian kan solve train okay tian an solve nga so a b c d e a value chu 254 ania so this is 254 the average of the first and the second omze chu a plus b average chu ange a plus b by 2 average chu 29 ania masing what is the value of a plus b ti chuan hemi tan multiply de ila engzat ngani don 29 multiplied by 2 chu 58 ania so a plus b in 58 kan dang tahian tahan mo 58 kan dang tihian in shatiam tro the average of fourth and fifth number fourth and fifth chu d plus e average chu engzat mo 66.5 tuna d le e value engzat nge ti chuan hemi 2 hi 66.59 kan multiply nga kasoi 66 2s are 132 ania plus 0.5 2s are engzat nge ti chuan 1 so 133 so 133 tan kan ziak lenga d plus e in value of d plus e is 133 enge what is the third number omzia chu hemi number hi enge ti chuan 133 plus 58 chu 191 ania 191 ania so tan kan ziak nga 191 helama kan da chuan minus 3 so 254 train 191 kan page chuan exact nge hey 63 so our answer will be option number b value of c will be 63 in shetia matra hemi hi aharin ti chuan kaima method chu video da ka explain that sum in the left hand side should be equals to sum in the right hand side so sum hi again it in total data multiplied by average and chendro chu tiambok chun total data multiplied by average tuna tahian average of 5 number is 50.8 ania. So total data engzat nge panga no ma chon average engzat mo 50.8 equals to helma kanzia ka tuna. The average of the first and second number is 29. So a le b panianom tro chumi wangjon 2 kanzia ka chon 29 chumi za average of fourth and fifth chu 2 data 2 digit number panianya chumi wangjon 2 multiplied by 66.5 chon what is the third number chu tahiano matro c 2 multiplied by 29 chu engzat nge 58 2 multiplied by 66.5 chu engzat nge 133 inshatia hemi hi in solve anga answer chu 63. You will get the same answer. Question number 18. The length of a rectangle, okay, length of rectangle is 15 centimeter. Hemi 15 centimeter ania, which is 6 centimeter less than the diameter of a circle. Okay, aomzia berchu 6 centimeter less ania tro 6 centimeter less ani chon circle khang zat ngen yang 21 aniang. Ba kami chu language problem ang khania language type ania, so English and thiam chon English thiam hal don hai rectangle 15 and given which is less than 6 centimeter mo chumi wang chu hemi engzat ngen yang 21 ai dona. So diameter of circle is 21 and each one han ngai to diameter 21 and each one a radius engzat ngen don 21 by 2. Angekan question, what is the area of circle? Area of circle engeni train pi r square and train atro emo pi d by 2 square and train ai nang reng pi kan zia kanga du chon di in radius kan zia don chon 21 by 2 kan zia ngai dona. So d is 21, okay, by 2 whole square. Tuna pi value engzat ngeni train 22 by 7 and train 21 into 21 chu tihian by 22 4 chon hemi 11 ni dona hemi 2 ni dona 2 and cancel 7 table 21 over 3 times 11 3s are 33 nia chon 21 by 2. So 33 into 21 chu engzat ngani train 33 66. So 693 by 2 693 by 2 chu 2 3s are 6 ania 2 4s are chon 2 6.5 346.5 will be the answer. Question number 19. 12 women can complete a piece of work in 5 days. Concentrate the winner. 12 women can complete a piece of work in 5 days. So one woman in Niang Zatang complete on 1 by 60, whereas 3 women and 9 children together can complete the same piece of work in 10 days. Omzachu 3 women le 9 children in Engzatamo nisoman thokzau theidona hemi value hitahian kanda de yang. Hey, one woman in 1 by 60 ya thokzau theatro. Engekan question, in how many days can 36 children complete the same work? So 9c ungiven 36 titurin engekan tiang 36 ti du chon hemi value hitan da photila one woman tahian kanda nga 3 chon tahan one woman anetro. So hemi ai hen engekan jate 1 by 60 plus 9c equals to 1 by 10 3 le 60 and cancel 1 by 20 1 by 20 hemi 1 by 20 hela ma kan ziak denga minus 1 by 20 tuna LCM angzat nge 20 LCM ania hemi 10 hi 10 engzat zar nge 20 ti jon 2 zar minus hemi 20 engzat zar nge 20 ti jon 1 zar. So 9c equals to nia pani atangin pakhat pe jon pakhat ania jon 9c equals to 1 by 20 kan muto 9 children in nisom nian thokzau theya chen children pakhatin engzat nge athok don ti chon hey 1 by 20 into 9. So c will be equals to 1 by 20 into 9. Masang 36 children kan mamon low me 36 children, that's why 36 in kan multiply 9 table 36 oma 4 time 4 table 20 oma 5. So 36 children in nikhata 1 by 5 and complete dona total work ni engzat amon zaudon letling zone can flip the itrina 5 days. So 5 days is the correct answer. Circumference enge formula 2 pi r in throw hemi value and given are 264 and given. What is the value of pi each one? 22 by 7 into r equals to 264. And ju tiyan nga ganzia what is the area anti throw area chu pi r square and trina pi r square find out turjon radius kan shia tangailom. That's why we are calculating the value of radius. 2 table 264 oma ohjut can cancel te 132 times 22 le 132 11 in cancel te 2s are jon 1 2 hemi le hemi hi 16 can cancel lenga hemi 7 le hemi 6 can multiply nga radius chu kan shatiam 42 centimeters tuna radius kan nei to what is the area ti jon pi r square nei 7 table ama 6 in shatiam 42 6 are exact nge ti jon 250 1 don chumizwa hemi tan kan ziak de nga multiplied by 252 tuna 252 22 are exact nge ti jon hey 504 405 so 4455 5544 option number A is the correct answer. Simple interest caution yeah simple interest accrued in 3 years on a principal exact nge 25,000 okay jon 3 year time pon given is 28th and low 328th the principal omza chu interest is simple interest exact mon accrued ti jon 3/20th of the eng principal in shatiam chon enge find the rate find out turania rate find out turan enge kantiam what is the formula PRT by 100 tro SI is given 3/20th of how much the principal chon equals to principal exact nge 25,000 rate exact nge kan shalo chon time exact nge 3 years divided by 100 25,000 le 25,000 kan cancel nga which is yang ai to lo chuan 20 table 100 oma 5 times in jetiam tra chuan 3 le 3 kan cancel thia above kanga chuan hemi 5 hi hata kan zia kang so the rate will be 5% in jetiam tra option number A. Tuna hemi caution the length of rectangular field is thrice its width okay rectangular field oma hemi rectangular field ania a width chu antirnan x assumila so what will be the length tichon thrice its width tra with let thum ania so that's why 3x kan zia kang hemi x ania width x ani chon the length is thrice its width ani wang 3x kan multiply kan zia kang inside the field there is a square pond okay hemi field chunga hian square pond square pond zia chu all sides will be equal chon root 3 ni chon heta po root 3 ni dona heta po root 3 ni dona an vai nei tian root 3 ni vek don okay if the area of the pond is 1/9 of the area of the field again zia if the area of the pond chu enge a square an yang acha nange pond is in the form of square thro chon area of square is a square side square equals to 1/9 of enge area of the field enge length into breadth so length exact nge 3x breadth exact nge x okay tuna a square is how much value of a is written it is given 3/3 okay 3/3 is ok ani he ta hian 3/3 is yak leula ta 3/3 is ok to okay then 3/3 so ai nenge kan ziang 3/3 but it's square okay tuna 3/3 square is how much amasa 3 square kan ziak 3 na 9 jan √3 square chu 3 and 3 square lem square root and cancel so 27 okay 27 equals to 1/9 multiplied by 3x le x can multiply jan 3x square 3 le 9 3 can cancel thia hemi 3 27 and can multiply jan exact nge 27 3s are 81 and 3 okay if the value of x square is 81 then the value of x will be how much square root of 81 is 9 it means that the value of x is 9 so width in 9 and idona width 9 and each one heta po hian exact nge 9 in can multiply dona so 27 so what is the length of the field and the length of the field will be 27 hemi our answer option number A jatiama tuna chuanen the angles in a triangle and tinahimi triangle and yeah okay 3 sides in the ratio 19:10:7 okay so antinan hemi hi 19 nita se hemi hi 10 part nita se hemi 7 part nita se hemi ashim shimen tihian ani don chuang lo ti hian ani don a diagram chu siam tailamo hemi 7 part ani dona chuan hemi 19 part ani dona chuan hemi hi 10 part hemi chuan sense anei hemi an sense anei lo ma sengai hemi kan solve anga ya chumi wang chun du dain kan ziak thei du chuan diagram tel lo pon hemi kan solve theya and do 19 10 le 7 ratio om tro so tan variable pahat kan danga x tian kan ziak the chen chu ratio no ma du chon sang khat pon kan multiply then pathumin mo kan thu ni chu ratio and proportion a chon what is the sum of twice the smallest angle and the largest smallest chu heminia chun largest chu heminia masing an value kan shalo mo hetai chon in the form of x kan zia turan lenem in the form of degree nia value nia so thuakan mangata hian triangle a hian tro what is the sum of all the interior angles engzat nge ni trin zale somria tan trin okay zale somria tan trin so hemi angle le hemi angle an pathum hian kan bel chuan so 19 plus 10 29 plus 7 36x 36 table 18 atian kan ziak thai x equals to 180 by 36 18 2s are 36 ani trina 10 by 2 10 by 2 chu 5 ani trin tuna x sin kan da zelang ta hian mo x sin 5 kan danga x sin 5 kan danga x sin 5 kan dang okay 19 5s are exact nge ti chuan 19 5s are 95 10 5s are exact nge somga 7 5s are exact nge ti chuan 35 so what is the quotient what is the sum of twice the smallest and the largest smallest to 35 ania so twice of smallest to 2 multiplied by 35 chumizwa largest until largest to 95 so 95 2 multiplied by 35 to 70 ni trina tro 70 le 95 to 165 so 165 option number A option number is the correct answer hemi kan question number 1 han ka shel to chawni the difference between CI and SI for 2 years 8 10% rate of interest is rupees 4 what is the sum of the money enge difference dian kan ziak trina for 2 years and each one p r by 100 square exact more difference 4 so 4 tahan kan ziak anga p kan shelo kan find out turnia what is the rate is 10% 10 by 100 square 0 chunga million hoi mi kan cancela 1 by 10 abang dona tahan mo 1 by 10 abang dona chuan what is the square of 10 each one 1 square chu 1 ania chuan 10 square chu za tuna 100 anwaya ma 4 an kan multiplying inshatiam thro 100 multiplied by 4 chu exact nge zali option number A this is the last question of this video okay a kite is flying at a height of exact a height 75 meter high kite is flying from the ground level attached to a string inclined at 60 degree to the horizontal hemi horizontal ania hemi horizontal ania so it will make an angle exact 60 degree to the horizontal so tihian injetiama tian 60 degree angle create a find the length of the string om zia chu hemi hi hemi kan shemi alo hemi length antinan l assume la x assume there is no slack in it chumar hey straight the win om tina ni chu tuna amapon ka sai to a hemi ange hypotenuse ania engthil ngen given dang perpendicular and given mo perpendicular so hypotenuse le perpendicular khoyange kan man thin kha voitam tak ka sai to a pubia ka pa chu enge high hot big okay so hemi sin theta hemi cos theta hemi tan theta kan mang trina so perpendicular le hypotenuse omna chu hey initiatia mem p by h sin theta kan mang don so sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse sin theta in 60 tan kan zia kanga perpendicular exact nge 75 hypotenuse exact nge x semi kan shlo hami ber hina kan find out so we will put x here means tan kan da denga kan multiply nga chun sin 60 chu noya 75 divided by sin 60 exact nge √3 by 2 sin 30 exact nge 1 by 2 cos 60 exact nge 1 by 2 cos 30 exact nge √3 by 2 ti ai jo in shia tangai nia tuna hemi 2 hi tahian a chhodei thina so 75 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 inshatiam hetilai takhian ya rationalization kan atangkai lutuk na mun chu hemi hi nia tuna kan rationalize na hemi radical ania tro rationalization video in len lo chuan in endon ya poimol tu kan buai don tu rationalization ju kan thialo chuan and hemi kan rationalize lo chuan root 3 ang zat nge ni thin root 3 is 1.7321 ni thin tuna 1.732 le 75 le 2 kan tinga kan cancel ang in shatiam drop that's why achunga po ti hian kan multiply thin root 3 ma so hemi hi ang zat nge ni don root 3 le root 3 chu kan multiply jon 3 ani don tuna hemi kan cancel anga 75 by 3 chu 25 ani dona chuan 25 le 2 kan multiply jon somnga ani don atro 2 na chuna all sum don hai root 3 ang zat nge 1.732 tuna hemi hi point 2 le daila dasonila 0 le 0 kan cancel anga 1732 le 5 kan multiply 1732 multiplied by 5 will be how much 5 2s are 10 3 5s are 15 le pahachu 16 7 5s are 35 le pahachu 36 3 pangale pathum chu pariat okay so 8660 divided by 100 hemi 0 le hemi 0 kan cancel anga anhuaya 10 bang dona anhuaya train 10 hi da son turin khoyange decimal kan da don 6 le 6 in kara 6 le 6 in kara kan da chuan 86.6 will be the answer in shatia mem okay so hati zong hi hemi video akan discuss video trying to join like nge don ya chon channel first time in visit chon channel in subscribe nge don ya lekin achon video tam de kala upload don so keep learning keep revising all the concepts thank you so much next video akan mule chau don ya